What's up, future travelers? Welcome back to a new travel tale. Today, we're embarking on an exhilarating journey into the captivating world of UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Ever wondered what they are? Join us, revealing the mysteries and share why these sites are an absolute must on your travel radar. Ready for a voyage filled with wonders? Let's dive into the magic together. UNESCO, also known as the United Nations Education, Scientific and Cultural Organization, labels certain places globally as World Heritage Sites. These locations hold vital cultural, historical, scientific, or natural significance. Consider them as treasures, adding richness to our shared human legacy. But what makes them truly extraordinary? Imagine peeling back layers to reveal the unique stories and profound importance behind these remarkable sites. It's like embarking on a journey through time and diverse wonders that shape our world. These sites are more than just landmarks. They're living testaments of our collective heritage, enticing us to unravel their captivating narratives. Join us as we delve into the heart of these tales, discovering the incredible stories that make each site a living chapter in global history. So basically, there are three categories of UNESCO World Heritage Sites: the cultural, natural, and the mixed. Sites you may know, like the Great Wall of China, the Pyramids of Egypt, and the historic center of Rome proudly bear the UNESCO Cultural Heritage Site title. These places provide a captivating glimpse into the intricate tapestry of human history and achievement, showcasing the brilliance of the bygone era. Now shifting our focus, let's immerse ourselves in the wonders of nature. From the vibrant Great Barrier Reef in Australia to the geothermal wonders of Yellowstone National Park in the US, these sites are not merely landscapes. They encapsulate the very essence of our Earth's natural heritage. They stand as a testament to the breathtaking beauty and diverse ecosystems that make our planet extraordinary. Now consider the convergence of cultural and natural wonders. Take for instance Machu Picchu in Peru, a perfect blend of breathtaking scenery and ancient Incan architecture. These mixed sites offer a unique fusion of cultural and natural elements, doubling their allure and making them twice as captivating for travelers. Have you experienced the magic of these unique sites? Share your adventure and thoughts in the comments below. Regarded as one of the most stunning structures ever created, the Taj Mahal in Agra holds the title of India's most iconic symbol. Back in 1628, Shah Jahan, the Mughal Empire ruler, enlisted the efforts of over 20,000 individuals to construct this marble mausoleum in memory of his beloved wife, who passed away during a childbirth. Today, this splendid monument draws in thousands of visitors annually and serves as a tribute to the artistic and scientific achievements of this prosperous Mughal empire. In old Havana, Cuba, you'll find a mix of different styles of buildings that go way back to 1519. The old part of Havana is like a blend of different architectural styles, Baroque and Neoclassical. It's a cool mix of well-preserved churches and buildings with an Art Deco style. This part of Havana has been around for a long time and has a history influenced by the Caribbean, Spanish, French, and British cultures. In the past, it was a major place for building ships in the Caribbean. Even today, you can still see the original layout of the city with lots of old but strangely beautiful buildings that have seen some better days. Next, a marvel of the world. China's Great Wall secured its spot on UNESCO's World Heritage List in 1987. Erected over 2,000 years ago, the wall's purpose was to safeguard the nation from invasions and protect its Silk Road commerce. This remarkable structure stands as a captivating illustration of ancient defense architecture. In the captivating region of south-central Turkey, you'll find a landscape like no other, distinguished by whimsical fairy chimneys, sizable cone-shaped formations shaped by the erosion of soft volcanic ash. Beneath the surface, entire underground cities, churches, and castles remain concealed, crafted by an ancient civilization. These subterranean spaces served as covert shelters, offering refuge from adversaries and intruders. Back in 1980, Valletta, the small town of Malta, earned a UNESCO World Heritage Site title. In this compact city, You'll find over 300 old landmarks squeezed into just 55 hectares. Picture it like a lively outdoor museum telling stories of more than 7,000 years. Valletta's tale is closely linked to the Order of the St. John of Jerusalem, a group formed in the 11th century to help sick pilgrims in the Holy Land. These knights made Malta their home after leaving Greece, settling in Valletta from 1522 to 1798. It's a history-packed journey in a tiny but fascinating city. The Great Pyramid of Giza, Egypt, is a survivor from the Seven Wonders, standing strong in the desert, built 4,500 years ago as Pharaoh Khufu's monumental tomb. Fun fact, it was once gleamed with limestone. With 2.3 million stone blocks, the pyramid showcases ancient Egyptian expertise in math, astronomy, and engineering. Its precise alignment with cardinal points and solstices puzzles modern scholars to date. Beyond a pharaoh's resting place, it symbolizes Egypt's lasting legacy. Japan's history is tightly woven with Kyoto's story. Constructed in 794 AD, Kyoto served as the nation's first capital until the mid-1800s. The city is renowned globally for its temples, shrines, castles, and gardens, which tell the tale of how Japanese architecture evolved and showcase the impactful art of Japanese landscaping. Last but not the least, Rome's historic center is a treasure trove of UNESCO World Heritage Sites, boasting iconic landmarks within its 17th century walls, from the Colosseum and the Forums to the Pantheon and Trajan's Column. It encapsulates centuries of history. Amidst these classical wonders, you'll also find Vatican-related gems like the Basilica of St. Paul outside the walls. With 58 UNESCO sites, Italy holds a rich cultural legacy. As our journey of the UNESCO World Heritage Sites comes to an end, I want to encourage you to embark on your own adventures. These sites show an understanding, appreciation, a strong connection with our shared human and natural history. So for future travelers, go out there and create your own exciting discoveries and stories.